Hi guys, just a quick view on this 2013 four-wheel drive CRV. The car has only landed in, so I need to get into the workshop and get it checked out and all that kind of stuff. But there's a few inquiries on the car from when we had it advertised on the net. This is a quick tour, but there will be a much more comprehensive video once the car is cleaned and repaired. So this car, we know it quite well actually. It is a 2.2 four-wheel drive. These are a less common car because most of them are 1.6 two-wheel drives. That's when the CRV became kind of more of a volume seller in Ireland. But before that, the 2.2 four-wheel drive wasn't for everyone, and it was an expensive car, brand new. This car had one owner that traded into us, and he actually went from a 13 to a 14 reg 1.6 two-wheel drive because he wanted a CRV, didn't care about the four-wheel drive, so once he saw the opportunity, he changed up into the two-wheel drive version. The second owner then, so the first guy had it for a year, the second owner then had it from 2014, local guy to us here, has bought lots of cars here, 2014 up as far as 2017, so a lot of the service history is with ourselves then from that period. And then the previous owners who bought it last year, they actually now trade, and actually clients again off the garage here, they have now traded it in for a Mercedes just in the garage up above there. So full dealer service history, one stamp and gowns. The middle stamps, I think there's three, I'll show you in a minute, are Fitzpatrick's, and then there's one from Collins, which is BMW locally, where the previous owners actually had bought it. So full service history, no accidents, body repairs, any that kind of stuff. Well, no accident damage obviously in terms of insurance and all that stuff. I suppose, look, what I'm saying to you is if you look at a car like this, there's a good history on the car overall, so it's not something that you'd be worried about. Condition wise, quite good on the front bumper, front fog lights on an ES, and then down through here double optic headlights with your daytime running light coming all the way up through there. Grille is quite nice on the CRVs because it is completely chrome. Colour is passion red, which was quite popular in them when they came out. Parking sensor standard on the front. Condition of that bumper is quite good. Bonnet, small bits of stone chipping, and it is a 2013 car, so you're going to have to get that. That is just part of the course. But I would go as far as saying it's reasonable for what's there. After that then road tax 718, and it is 390 for a year, and then NCT 119, and then we need to run it through our workshop and get it checked out and see what way it is. Down the side of the car, wheel is in good condition. We need to check it for brakes and tyres though. Wing is in good condition. Down the driver's door, all nice and original looking onto the quarter panel, and rear door all in good condition, as is the rear wheel. This bumper's got a small scuffing down here, so if you look at my finger, it's about that length, so that's ugly, so we're going to get rid of that. We have an Aviva repair approved, sorry, it's approved by all the insurers basically, so it's an excellent body shop of the year in 2017 actually in Ireland, so that's a good thing. Small chrome section down along the boot. Boot lid is in good condition. So anyway, the reason I'm saying that is we will obviously repair the car. So everything good so far. Boot, not sure what these were actually. I don't know, just they're not part of the car, so previous owner obviously had them sitting there for something, but in terms of the inside it's quite good. It does need to be cleaned. And then down through here you have your spare wheel and toolkit and all that stuff, and then the seats, if you pull them, they'll drop forward. Down through here we close the boot. Coming around to the side of the car here, there is bumper. It's got a tiny chip along here, so don't think we'd paint the bumper for that. We'd probably touch that one up. And then quarter panel onto the two doors all the way down the side, nice and original. Wheel in good condition, but we got to check brakes and tyres as I said before. Wheel in good condition, needs a good clean up, but other than that, so I think so far anyone that comes to look at it won't be disappointed with condition of the car. Doors open at a right angle. Door cards in nice condition. Seats and floor all quite good. Rear ventilation, 3-point safety belts, 3 head restraints, armrest in the centre, ISOFIX points all the way across. And then up front you will have electrics for windows and mirrors, econ function down along through here, parking sensors front and rear, wiper controls which are automatic, so when you meet rain a sensor up here picks it up. Automatic headlights, so when it gets dark they'll come on themselves. This dips itself if someone comes up behind you, and you've got a conversation mirror so you can see what's going on in behind you then as well. There is USB and auxiliary down through here for phone and charging phones and playing music and all that stuff. Dual zone heating controls in through here. Radio controls which brings your display up through there. And I know it's old fashioned, but I think that is so much nicer and easier to use than the touch and swipe, but that's just me, I'm old. Reverse camera in through here, and then as we said, parking sensors front and also parking sensors for the rear when we're going backwards. The service history, as we were saying, so first owner bought in Gowans in Dublin, which is a Honda garage. Then the second owner locally to us, 1, 2, 3, 4 stamps actually with ourselves, and then the third owner Conlon's here, which so look, full service history for the car all the way through. Bluetooth controls for radio and all that kind of stuff in through here, cruise control. Anyway, that is a real brief overview in the car, because it's going to absolutely lash rain there any second at all. I will do a better video on the car once it's cleaned up and prepared for sale, but this is just an overview. So there's a couple of people I'm going to send this out to that have been talking to already that we're looking for a 4-wheel drive CRV. Brian's my name. Thank you for taking time to watch. Any questions, 086 843 1945, but you'll know that because I've just WhatsApped you this video.